Hello my friends, I'm Maurice de Preer, aka the Unhurried Bikepacker. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to give you some context to this channel. I retired in 2023 and a year later started bikepacking as a means to see the world on a shoestring budget, get into nature, and most importantly, to keep the old man out. There's however a deeper reason for starting this channel. I need a purpose in my life, a North Star to get me out of bed in the morning and to keep me motivated when things get tough. Since 2015, I've been involved in the CA2CX mountain bike tour, raising funds for the 120 abused, abandoned, and vulnerable children at the Herberg Children's Home in the rural town of Robertson, South Africa. I want to take that to the next level. My hope is that by sharing my adventures, I can monetize this channel to achieve two things. Firstly, to subsidize my bikepacking expenses, as I only receive a modest pension. And secondly, and more importantly, any funds raised beyond that will be donated directly to the Herberg Children's Home. More specifically, I want to start a birthday fund for the children of the Herberg. The 2 days that children get most excited about are their birthday and Christmas. These children are largely deprived of those joys. I would like to help to change that. I want to make it clear, I'm not a martyr. I love bikepacking. I will bikepack whether I have this channel or not. Riding for the children keeps me motivated when things get tough, and it gives me the ability to use what I love to pay it forward. I do not have the face, the voice, or the personality for video, but I know how to suffer on a bicycle. My videos will therefore be less about me and rather focus on my journey and sharing the amazing scenery as I cycle through some of the most beautiful and pristine parts of the world and take on epic challenges. In 2026, my plan is to visit the Herberg Children's Home early in the new year to introduce you to the special people of the home. The route will take me over the epic Beulah climb, one of the toughest mountain bike climbs in the world, on my 50-kilogram touring bike. In March, I will embark on a solo 100-day, 7,000-kilometer tour across southern Africa. From Cape Town, I will cycle to Windhoek in Namibia, cross Botswana to the Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe, and return via the west coast of southern Africa. In July, I will take on the notorious Swartberg Pass to the Hell. During this tour, I will traverse all 3 crossings of the Swartberg Mountains. In August, I will do the CA2CX mountain bike tour from Cape Town to Knysna to raise funds for the Herberg Children's Home. Continuing from Knysna, I will visit Lesotho before taking on the 10 highest mountain passes of the Drakensberg, all of which are close to or higher than 3,000 meters in elevation. If I survive this, my bucket list includes circumnavigating Africa before my 60th birthday in 2028 and cycling all continents, excluding Antarctica. In order to monetize this channel, I need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You can help me in an endeavor to bring joy to these children by subscribing to my channel, The Unhurried Bikepacker. Watch my videos, click on the like button, leave a comment, and send this video to at least 5 other people. I believe that 120,000 Rand, or about $7,000 per year, will go a long way to creating joy in these children's lives. For those of you who have the ability to contribute financially, you can donate directly into the Children's Birthday Fund on my Backer Buddy page, Suffer for Joy. The funds will go directly into the bank account of the Herberg Children's Home. You can also support me personally by going to my Buy Me a Coffee page, The Unhurried Bikepacker. These funds will go towards subsidizing my adventures. I will leave links to both these pages in the comments below. I invite you to join me as I share my adventures with you and bring joy to the children who deserve it the most. All the scenes in this video is from my recent bikepacking tour where the two oceans collide, bikepacking the southernmost tip of Africa. You can find them on my channel in a 3-part series. Please support this channel by subscribing below, click on the like button, leave a comment, watch my other videos, and forward this video to 5 other people. Thank you very much for watching and see you in my next adventure.